I'm going to show you one of our more popular Kubota tractors here, and that being a Kubota M4063. So I can give you a quick walkthrough of it here. Okay, so as I said, it is a Kubota M4063. It is one of our most popular models here that we sell in new tractors at Clark's Cavan. So it's a Kubota 4-cylinder 66 horsepower engine, 18 forward, 18 reverse manual gears with your 3 ranges. It also has an electro-hydraulic power shuttle, so there is no clutching required when you're going through your gears and your motions. It does also have a 40k transmission, and it is 4-wheel drive. You do have your 2 manual spools, manual gears. Fully kitted out with your air conditioning, air seat, work lights and beacon, and your front fenders. It also has your 540 and your 540E PTO. So it does have your 3-point linkage, your 2 double acting manual spool valves, and if you do look at the front tyres there, they are kitted out with 320 85R by 20, and then if you come to the rear then it is kitted out by 420 by 85 or 30. So as I said, it is one of our more popular models, 40k in transmission. It is simple and effective tractor there. Options such as a front loader and a selection of, we'll say, agri and tough tyres can be put on it as well, depending on what sort of work you're doing. So if you do take a look inside, as I said, it is brand new. So as I said, brand new, very fresh. So your power shuttle and your manual gears, air seat, air conditioning, work lights and your radio. So we do have a couple of these in stock here in our sales yard at Clark's Cavan. If you want to see one for yourself, you can call into the sales yard there and see this tractor in particular for yourself. You can call myself also on 083 131 5178, or any of the other sales lads are there as well. Or as I said there, you can see pictures and videos on our online shop as well.